Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. Right now, we are trading at $23,721. We can see that our market cap is down 0.53% and 24-hour volume, we are down 20% here. So going into our daily chart here, we can see that our resistance line is up here at 23,951. Not only that, but we can see the last two characteristics of our candlesticks are spinning tops as the price was aggressively going higher. So this is a subtle hint itself that the price is going to come back down. And if we quickly take a look at our RSI, it is capped roughly around 96. And today, right now, is currently at 87. The previous one was at 95%. So considerably that we are near a resistance line, we are considered to be overbought according to our RSI. And if we look at the momentum coming up near the resistance line, we can see that these bars are getting lighter in color, meaning that the trend may soon be over itself and may get rejected from this resistance line. Going into immediate short term for 4 hours, we're going to be taking a look again at some of the characteristics, our RSI and our momentum as well. So notice that the volume indicator is changing as I'm zooming out. What we can take a look at is supply and demand from here. So we can see that this node, again, the resistance line is at the outskirts of this entire supply and demand. We can see that the volume itself dissipates after we leave this area. So this is another node up here at 24,500 is another known area of a resistance line. So if price is going to come back up, we are most likely going to be rejected at this line itself, because we can see on our momentum of our MACD indicator that the crossover has already occurred and indicating that it is a bear market right now. However, what we can consider too on a 4-hour chart here is that the Bollinger Bands are squeezing in. So the Bollinger Bands are squeezing in, meaning lower volatility, that ultimately a breakout is going to happen, either an uptrend or a downtrend. What we can see, however, is that we are considered, quote unquote, being oversold so far. So the RSI is 2.55, 33%. We could ultimately see the RSI coming down a little bit to be considered extremely oversold at the moment. So I'm predicting that the price for Bitcoin is going to come back roughly around the 78% of our fib, which is 23,184, or could possibly drop even more. We can see the characteristics of these two candlesticks right here that broke this trend line that ultimately are the same in size in body. So it showed a lot of selling pressure as the volume slowly come down. Not only that though, if we are going to be closing below the 20 MA here, we can see this orange line, a part of the Bollinger Band, then we are ultimately going to come back down to another area of body and supply of our volume indicator, which again, we can see on the outskirts of 78% of our fib, 23,184. So that's my target here for Bitcoin, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.